Catitopia, a gentle world of Meowditation. Let the calm begin. Welcome to Catitopia. Today, we begin our first Meowditation together. What is Meowditation? It's a soft, calm version of meditation, like resting in warm sunlight. Some people say meditation is about clearing your mind. Others say it's about focusing. Here in Cattopia, it's simple. We slow down. We breathe. We just be. There are no rules. No need to be perfect. Just be here with me. If you feel ready, let's get comfortable. You can sit with your back straight or lie down and relax. Let your arms rest. Let your hands be soft. If it feels good, gently close your eyes. This helps you turn your attention inside. Now, let's begin with the breath. Feel the air as you breathe in, cool and calm. Feel the air as you breathe out, warm and slow. There is nothing you need to change. Just notice your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Let your shoulders drop. Let your belly relax. If you feel tight anywhere, tell that part of your body you can let go. Relax your jaw. Rest your tongue. Soften your face, even with your eyes closed. You are safe. You are here, and you are doing just fine. Breathe and be. Let's take a slow journey through your body. We'll visit each part and let it soften. Start with your toes. Can you feel your toes? Let them relax. Let them be still. Now feel the soles of your feet. Let go of any tension there. Imagine warmth spreading across your feet. Feel your heels, your ankles. Let them melt into the floor. Move your attention to your calves. Notice any tightness. You can release it now. Your knees, they can soften too. Now your thighs. Let the muscles go heavy and loose. Feel your hips resting. No need to hold anything here. Let them sink. Now your belly. Let it rise and fall like the ocean. Soft and easy. Your lower back. Breathe into that space. Give it permission to rest. Now your chest. Notice how it moves with your breath. Let it stay open and calm. Feel your shoulders. Drop them gently. Let all tension flow out. Now your arms, upper and lower. Let them grow heavy. Let them be still. Bring attention to your hands. Feel your fingers, even your fingertips. Let them soften. Now your neck. Long and relaxed. Feel space between each breath. Let your head be heavy, supported, safe. Now your face. Relax your forehead. Smooth your eyebrows. Feel your eyes, soft and closed. No effort. Just rest. Soften your cheeks. Clench your jaw. Let your lips be soft. Let your tongue rest gently. Your whole face relaxed. Your whole body calm. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be. You are fully here and fully safe. Let this calmness become a gentle dream, a quiet picture your body remembers. Imagine you are lying on soft, warm sand. The sun touches your skin with a golden warmth. The sand shapes itself to hold you perfectly, like the earth is hugging you from underneath. Your hands rest on the sand, fingers slightly curled, fully relaxed. Your legs are still. Your feet sink gently into the warm grains. With every breath, your body sinks a little deeper. The sand welcomes your weight, and your muscles stop holding anything. Now feel the breeze. A warm wind moves over your body, light, gentle, and peaceful. Listen closely. You can hear the breeze passing through tall grass nearby. A soft whisper brushing past your ears. The sound of the wind calms your mind. Smell the air. Fresh, clean, hint of salt, the scent of warm sand and sea. Let it fill your nose, then fade gently with your breath. You can hear the sand shifting beneath you. Tiny crackles, like nature breathing with you. The distant sound of waves adds a steady rhythm. Everything around you is slow and safe. You are surrounded by warmth, by quiet, by life that doesn't rush. Let your thoughts fade into the rhythm of the earth. Let your breath match the quiet of this moment. Nothing to chase, nothing to fix. Only this, only now. You are resting, and the world is resting with you. Stay here for one more breath. Let it be soft and full. Now begin to notice your body again. Feel the ground beneath you, the way your body is resting, supported and still. Gently bring your attention to your fingers. Can you feel them? Maybe they want to move a little. Notice your toes. Wiggle them slowly if it feels good. Feel the air around you, the temperature, the space, the room you are in. You are still calm, but now a little more awake. Ask yourself, what do I feel right now? Where do I feel the most peaceful? No need to answer with words. Just feel it and notice. If your eyes are closed, you can open them when you're ready. Let the light come in gently. There's no rush. You are here. You are whole. And you brought yourself back with kindness. Well done. We've just completed a Meowditation together. I'm truly grateful we shared this piece. A blink of love, just for you. You have given this moment to yourself, a gentle step into a softer life. Stay stretched and keep purring.